DJI is once again stirring excitement in the drone world with rumors and early footage suggesting the upcoming launch of the DJI Avata 3. After several high-end releases in 2018 the past few months, including the impressive Mavic 4 Pro and anticipated Mini 5 Pro, DJI now appears to be preparing for the next generation of its FPV first-person view drones. The Avata 3 is shaping up to be the successor to the Avata 2, and though many details are still under wraps, some key features and improvements are starting to emerge, sparking curiosity among drone enthusiasts and content creators. DJI's recent lineup over the past year, DJI has expanded and upgraded its lineup at a rapid pace. The Mavic 4 Pro, for instance, improved upon the already powerful Mavic 3 Pro with upgrades in camera performance, flight time, and software enhancements. Likewise, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to replace the Mini 4 Pro soon, and it has already received certification from the FCC, indicating a release is near. However, alongside these models, two other drones have surfaced in conversations among tech insiders: the DJI Neo 2 and the DJI Avata 3. While little is known about the Neo 2 at this stage, much more buzz is forming around the Avata 3. This drone is expected to follow in the footsteps of the Avata 2, a drone that was highly praised for blending the immersive feel of FPV flight with user-friendly features that appealed even to beginners. With a rumored price tag similar to the Avata 2's current pricing, around $1,199, the Avata 3 is aiming to deliver meaningful upgrades while staying within the premium FPV segment. One of the biggest and most exciting rumored changes in the Avata 3 is a significant upgrade to its camera sensor. While the Avata 2 features a 1 to 1.3-inch 12-megapixel CMOS sensor, sources like Autel, a well-known leaker in the drone community, claim that the Avata 3 will come equipped with an even larger CMOS sensor. Though the exact size of the new sensor hasn't been confirmed, a larger sensor typically means better image quality, especially in low-light conditions, as well as improved dynamic range and color accuracy. For aerial photographers and videographers, this could be a game-changer. Even if no other major hardware changes are introduced, a better camera alone could make the Avata 3 a highly attractive upgrade. Early footage believed to show the Avata 3 has surfaced, reportedly taken during a test flight. The drone is shown in what seems to be an upside-down position, possibly due to how it landed or was positioned for filming. Observers noted a thicker body design compared to the Avata 2, although the footage isn't clear enough to confirm detailed structural changes. However, one visible difference is the propeller design, which appears to have been revised. Changes in propeller design can have several effects. It may be intended to improve flight efficiency, reduce noise, or enhance stability during fast maneuvers, all of which are crucial for FPV drones that often fly at high speeds and perform acrobatic movements. While the exact benefits of this new design are still speculative, it's clear that DJI is not just re-releasing the same frame with minor tweaks. Instead, the Avata 3 could bring a noticeable difference in how it feels and sounds in flight. Even though DJI hasn't officially released performance specs for the Avata 3 yet, we can make some educated guesses based on its predecessors and current market trends. The Avata 2 already offered a compelling package with excellent handling, smooth controls, and good battery life for an FPV drone. If DJI follows its usual pattern, we can expect incremental improvements in flight time, signal range, and perhaps cooling efficiency to avoid overheating during long sessions. There's also a chance that DJI will upgrade the onboard stabilization features or introduce new software tools for cinematic FPV filming, which has become a popular style among content creators. With a more powerful camera and possibly better flight capabilities, the Avata 3 could become one of the go-to choices for people looking to shoot dynamic, immersive videos with less post-processing required. Industry and competition DJI dominates the drone market, but the FPV category is more niche and has stiff competition from companies like Beta FPV and iFlight. The Avata series aims to bridge the gap between traditional camera drones and DIY FPV systems. With Avata 3, DJI seems focused on improving usability while still offering the kind of thrilling, high-speed experience that FPV fans love. If it lives up to expectations, it could appeal to a broader range of users, from casual hobbyists to professional filmmakers. At its expected price point of around $1,199, the Avata 3 won't be the cheapest FPV drone, but it also won't be the most expensive. DJI is known for offering good value in terms of feature sets relative to price, and the Avata 3 could follow that same strategy. With the added bonus of tight integration with DJI's goggles and motion controller systems, the Avata 3 could deliver a seamless, immersive experience right out of the box. What remains unknown? Despite the footage and rumors, many aspects of the Avata 3 remain a mystery. For example, battery capacity, flight time, controller compatibility, GPS improvements, and potential new safety features like obstacle avoidance haven't been confirmed yet. DJI may also include enhancements to flight modes or introduce AI-driven features for better tracking and subject detection. Additionally, questions remain about how the Avata 3 will handle signal interference, wind resistance, and software customization options for more advanced pilots. Also unclear is when the drone will be officially released. Given DJI's recent release schedule and the fact that the Mini 5 Pro has already been certified, it's possible the Avata 3 will follow shortly after. If testing footage is already circulating, a late summer or early fall launch might be possible, but DJI has not made any official announcements yet. The DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. With a rumored larger camera sensor, a new propeller design, and potentially other hidden upgrades, it looks like DJI is committed to refining its FPV line rather than simply recycling old designs. While many details are still unknown, what we've seen and heard so far points to a strong contender in the FPV space that balances performance, ease of use, and cinematic potential. As always with early leaks, it's important to take the information with a grain of salt until DJI makes an official announcement. Still, for drone enthusiasts and creators who crave fast, immersive flight paired with high-quality video, the Avata 3 might just be worth the wait. If DJI's track record is any indication, we can expect a well-built, thoughtfully designed product that pushes the envelope further in the ever-evolving world of aerial imaging.